Watch Rider from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having an amazing Saturday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2016 Chevy Trax LT and a champagne silver metallic exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. Not to mention, you are going to see less miles on a 2016 vehicle. I can promise you that. We'll get to that in just a moment. And I would like to mention that this Chevy Trax does also have the Preferred Equipment Group 1LT. But never mind all that extra information. Let's go ahead and walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you're going to take notice of are the stunning halogen headlights. As I pan over here towards the middle, you're going to take notice of that black grill insert along with the chrome trim. And finally here for the front end, take a look at that gorgeous gold Chevy logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. This Chevy Trax is going to come with 16-inch silver aluminum wheels with the 205/70 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. While we're over here on this side, let's go ahead and take a peek here at this interior. As you guys can see, it is going to come with a premium brown on black cloth interior with some of this orange stitching running all along the sides. As we turn around to the dash, you are going to have a brown dash finish up top, almost a mahogany-like color with a black finish down below on your glove box. We'll get to the glove box in just a moment, but before we do that, I do just want to hop in here for a second just to show you guys some of the center cluster trim here. You are going to have a matte black finish trim running along your LCD display with almost a silver trim like running along some of these storage departments as well as your air vents. Take a look here in the back seat. That premium cloth interior is going to stay consistent back here in the back seat. If we go ahead and hop in here for a second as well, if we take a look behind your driver and passenger seat, you are going to have a max 150 watt outlet. And then here between in your middle seat, you are going to have a pull-out center console that comes equipped with 2 cup holders. Coming around to the rear, this vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up into anything. While we're back here, let's go ahead and lift the trunk for you guys, showing you guys how much space there actually is. As you guys can see, even being a smaller Trax, the smaller version of the Equinox, it does have plenty of room back here to haul luggage on long trips or groceries or anything you guys can possibly think of. Making our way through some of the interior features of this vehicle, it does come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and manual seat adjustments with lumbar support. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys in just a moment, but before we do that, let's take a quick look here at your key fob. As you guys can see, you are going to have your typical lock and unlock, but if you guys also take a look down there, you are going to have your SOS sound system and remote start, even be having a normal key fob or a normal key start there. So like I said, let's go ahead and start it up for you guys. And like I mentioned earlier, you're not going to find a 2016 with this low miles. Take notice that it just comes with just under 10,500, just under. And you are going to get a nice little start up there on your middle display there from Chevy. Awesome. And there are plenty of features here on the interior, so let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. Taking a look behind your steering wheel to the left, you're going to have all of your headlight adjustments with your automatic headlight setting, as well as the option to change the brightness to your driver display. Your hood release is also located down there with a small storage compartment. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. Left side of your steering wheel is going to be all of your cruise control options. And on the right side, you'll have your middle display as well as your touch to talk options. Coming here over to the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen LCD display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Now, on top of your touchscreen LCD display, you are going to have some manual options there right below. Not to mention the climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips with your 4-ways and your traction control. A storage compartment up front with a 12-volt plug-in. Your shifter knob with your options for manual shifting. Plenty of extra storage here in the center cluster as well with your emergency brake. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find an Ecotec 1.4 liter regular unleaded engine with an intercooled turbo pushing 138 horsepower. And you also take notice our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep the garage kept its entire life. Not going to bother showing you guys every single wheel and tire because, as you guys can imagine, with just only having just under 10,500 miles, it is going to be an extremely well kept condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents along the body. Both these tires on that side are in extremely good condition. Even coming around here to the rear, the only imperfection I can find is right here on the trunk. You are going to have a dent there on that trim piece. However, other than that, this is an extremely clean 2015 that has been very well maintained. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2016 Chevy Trax LT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com. or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have an amazing Saturday, guys.